The largest SpaceKap, the Diablo, is one of the most impressive slip-in service bodies ever built. With cargo headroom of over 6 feet, it feels more like a workshop than a service body. This is not just another topper, this is a complete workstation, with built-in skylights and a full LED interior light system. The real value of the Diablo is how functional it is. With the huge volume of cargo space, all the gear needed to do the job is always on hand. So jobs off the beaten path can be accomplished with far less time and travel expense. Partnering with Ranger Design, SpaceKap has developed special shelving package options based on your specific job site requirements. The Diablo Contractor Package makes great use of the headroom in the Diablo, offering 4 shelves on either side. These shelves can be custom configured as needed to make sure everything is in place. The Diablo Plumber and Electrician Package maximizes cargo space, especially if transporting conduit or pipe, up to 10 feet long, is a part of the job. The Diablo HVAC Package is another purpose-built solution that has been designed with the HVAC specialist in mind. Ample storage can be configured to store nearly any sized refrigerant bottle. Also worth mentioning is the Diablo Workstation system. This full workstation is configured on the driver's side to get the work done out of the weather. To learn more about our SpaceKap slip-in service bodies, reach out to the ExperTech team today. The truth is, there is a wide spectrum of needs that our clients fall into, but in the world of upfitting trucks and vans, you never have to settle for a one-size-fits-all solution.
ExperTech. Innovative, driven, excellence. Visit us online at www.expertech.ca.